Hey there, welcome to another video where we tackle a common problem that many Apple users face. So, imagine this scenario. You have your Apple account set up with both your phone number and email address. In iMessage settings, you can choose whether to send messages from your phone number or email. But here's the catch: what if you want to use your phone number for some contacts and your email for others? Is it even possible? That's the problem we're diving into today. Now, let's talk about the solution to this dilemma. Unfortunately, as of iOS 17 or lower, Apple doesn't provide a built-in feature in the Contacts or Messages app that allows you to selectively choose whether to send a message from your phone number or email address. It's a bit of a limitation for users who want more customization in how they communicate with different contacts. In summary, if you were hoping to seamlessly switch between using your phone number and email address for different contacts in iMessage, you might be out of luck. Apple hasn't integrated this feature into their iOS yet. But hey, who knows what future updates might bring, right? Stay tuned. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy messaging.